So once you write the code for getting all users from the database, so let's write a code for getting the user with the specific ID. So for that, let's create a function called getUserById. So let's write export and create a function. So just type const getUserById and just write async with the request and response parameter. And inside here, so again just write try catch. So inside the catch block, so we will just handle the error with the 500 status code. And similarly inside the try block, so first of all, so we will be extracting the user from the parameter. So in parameter, so we will be basically passing the ID. So what I mean by that is, so in this parameter, so we will just provide the ID. So for that, we will just write something like const ID equals request.params.id. So we will just extract the ID from the parameter in the URL, and now we will source for the user in the database by the ID. So just type const user exist and just type await user dot. So we will just use the method something called find by ID and just provide the ID inside here. And now we just have to check if the user exists or not. So for that, just type if user doesn't exist. So just type user doesn't exist. So we just have to write the same kind of message. So let me just simply copy it from here. So user data not found and 404 not found status code. So let's paste inside here and let's change the message here. So user not found only. So let's save this. And if there is any user, so we just have to return that user. So just type response.status and just type 200 OK. And in JSON response, so we just have to simply return the user which is extracted with that ID. So let's save this one and again just go into the user route here. So inside here, so just type route.get. And inside here, so we just have to type /user/:id. So since we will be providing the ID here, so just type :id and just provide the method, so which is get user by ID, and make sure to import here. So this will automatically import if we just click enter. So once this is done, so now we should be able to test in the Postman. So let me just go into the Postman. And again, let me just create a new request. So just type add request. And so let's type http localhost 8000 API/user/. So if I just go into this one, so you can see the ID. So we just have to simply copy this ID and just go inside here and simply paste inside here. So since in the route we can see so we are passing user and the ID. So since we are passing ID here, if I just click on send, so this is returning the user information with that specific ID. So let's try with the different ID. So here you can see, so this is the John Doe. So let's try this one. So this should display the information of this one. So let me just simply replace with this one, and if I just click on send, so you can see the demo user. So this is how you can extract the user with the specific ID.